Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7 and the subject is maths, and as you all know that we are proceeding the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is fractions and decimals. So we will today continue the exercise 2.1. In the first half of the chapter we will discuss the fractions, and in the later half of the chapter we will discuss the decimals. So exercise 2.1, question number 2. In question number 2, some of the fractions are given. We are going to arrange them into descending order. So fractions are 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, and 8 upon 21. So first of all, we have to observe whether the given fractions are ascending or whether the given fractions are like or unlike fractions. So these all fractions are unlike fractions. Why unlike fractions? Because the denominator is different. 21, 3, 9. All three are different. That's why these are unlike fractions. So first of all, what we will do? We are supposed to find the LCM. LCM of 3, 9 and 21. We have to find the LCM of 3, 9 and 21. So how to find the LCM? 3, 9, 21. We are supposed to divide by the number. By 2 we cannot divide, so we will start with number 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and 3 7 is 21. Then again by 3, 1 1 7. Then again by 7, 1 1 1. So here we will stop. The LCM will be 3 into 7 means 3. So 3 3 is 9. And 9 7 is 63. So the LCM is 60. LCM of 3, 9 and 21 is 63. So the first method is that we are supposed to make the denominator 63. How to make the denominator 63? 2 upon 9, comma 2 upon 3, comma 8 upon 21. So we have to divide 63 by 9. So here comes 7. So we are supposed to multiply by 7 here, multiply by 7 here. Then we are supposed to divide 63 by 3. We will get 21. So 21 here, 21 here. 63 divided by 21, we will get 3. So 3 will be here and 3 will be here. Afterwards, we will write after multiplication 7 to the 40, 9 7 is 63. 21 to the 42, 21 3 is 63. Then 21 3 is 63, 8 3 is 24. Now we can observe that these unlike fractions have been converted into like fractions. Like fractions means the denominator is same, that is 63. So now what we have to do? We have to add. Adding the like fractions is too much easy. What we have to do? We have to write the denominator here 63 and we have to add the numerators. But we are not supposed to add them. Why? Because the question is we are supposed to arrange them in the descending order. If we want to add, then we can add also by this method, but we have to arrange in the descending order. Descending order means from higher to lower, means from the larger fraction to the smaller fraction. First of all, we are supposed to write the larger one. So the denominator is same. So we will write 63, 63 and 63. Now, which one is the? Now we will observe the numerators. Which one is will be the? Which one is the largest one? That is the 42. After 42, there is 24. After 24, 14 is the least. So we have arranged in the descending order. Now we will write the answer in the original form. 42 upon 63. That 42 upon 63 is equal to 2 upon 3. So here we will write 2 upon 3. Then 24 upon 63. 24 upon 63 is equal to 8 upon 21. Then 14 upon 63 means 14 upon 63 means 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. So this is the descending order of this question. So first part already we have done. Second part you are supposed to try by yourself. At the same time we will discuss one more question, that is question number. Question number 3 you are supposed to observe whether it is a magic square or not. Magic square means if we add in horizontally or vertically or diagonally, the sum should be same. So you are supposed to check whether you are getting the same sum or not. We will discuss question number 4. In question number 4, rectangular sheet is given. Rectangular sheet means like this. The length of the rectangular sheet is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeters. 12 and 1 by 2 centimeters. And the breadth is given and width is given 10 and 2 by 3. 10 and 2 by 3 centimeters. So we are supposed to find the perimeter. So length of the sheet, length of the sheet equals to 12 and 1 by 2 centimeters. Width of the sheet 10 and 2 by 3 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth or length plus width. The same thing is there. First of all, we are supposed to convert that into improper fraction. To convert into improper fraction, we are supposed to multiply 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2 centimeters. Here 10 into 3, 30, 30 plus 2, 32 upon 3 centimeters. So now you will find the perimeter means 2 into 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3. So we have to find first of all the LCM of the denominator, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So if the numbers are prime, then their LCM will be their product, means 6. So 2 से divide the 6 को 3 means 25 into 3 plus 3 से divide किया 6 को 2, 32 into 2. So we will get 2 into 25, 3 is 75 plus 32, 2 is 64 upon 6. we will get here. We will cut afterwards. We will cut 2 into upon 6. And here comes 9. 4 plus 5 9. 7 plus 6 13. So we will cut by 2. 2 on the 2. 2 3 6. So we got 139 upon 3. Now this is the improper fraction. So 139 divided by 3. 3 4 12. 1 remaining 9. 3 6 18. Again 1 remaining. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder and this is the divisor. So the mixed form will be Q R upon D. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So here we will write the answer in the mixed form, that is 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter. At last we are supposed to write our answer in words. The perimeter of this rectangular sheet will be 46 and 1 by 3 centimeters. Like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. I hope that you have understood and you will try the remaining questions at home, and after trying or completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their homework on the daily basis and as well as correctly. Thank you very much.